In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can update static content, essentially documents or pages that are presented in the website, usually containing text, sometimes images as well. So if you've watched the video on navigating Edsby, you already know that each of the main sections on the site is represented, right, as we look at the different URLs here. This section here called Academics is going to be represented as an academics subsite inside Edsby. So taking a look at Edsby and going into the Websby application, we can navigate down the side here and find our academics subpage. And within academics, we have a page here called General Education, and that of course contains the content that matches what we're seeing here. So editing content is really quite straightforward. If I want to add something new, I will say here is new content. Right? I'll just put it in the page. Maybe I want to make this bold, or I want to play with this in some way, and I can do that. And when I scroll to the bottom and save this now, that change is reflected on the website. So it's really that simple. The one trick that I would mention is that there are places in this page where we are using header text. And rather than making this text really big manually or changing the font, what we would recommend is if I want this to be a header, what I really should do is I should come up here under where it says Formats, and I should choose one of the heading formats. And in fact, this document right now shows General Education. This happens to be a heading 1. A little further down on the page, this is a heading 2 for Curricula. We can see what that looks like on the website. And right below that is a heading 3. So you can see that in the site we've already kind of defined what these things should look like. The benefit or the advantage of using these predefined formats is that if I specify things as heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, or down here I specify this part here as paragraph text, right? By doing that, we're going to have consistent layout throughout the entire site. So whenever possible, I encourage you to utilize the formats that are here under that format menu. And that's really all there is to it. Thanks.